How to fix Spotify not playing songs. So the first thing that you need to do is check your internet. Make sure that you have a stable network connection. So in order to troubleshoot that, what you can do is scroll down through your control panel and in here tap on your airplane icon right here. Wait for a few seconds and then tap on it again and disable it. This will reset your network connection, and like that you can troubleshoot the problem of your network. So if your network is not the issue, then it might be the issue with you using any sort of a VPN. So simply scroll down through your control panel and in here long press right here. You'll get to see VPN. Make sure that it is off just like this. So after making sure that if it's still not working, then try to clear the cache of the application. So for that, open your Spotify and in here tap on your profile right here. After doing that, tap on settings and privacy, then tap on data saving and offline. So after doing that, if you scroll down a bit, you can see clear cache. Simply tap on clear one more time, and like that you'll be able to clear all of the cache of your Spotify. So after doing that, try to play a song and see if that's working. If it's still not working, then try to check for any kind of updates. For that, simply go to your app store and in here search for Spotify. So after searching for Spotify, here you can see if there are any kind of updates available, there will be the option of update. All you need to do is tap on it and within few minutes your application will be up to date, and like that you'll be able to update your Spotify. And after doing all of these, I'm pretty sure that you will be able to play any of these songs on Spotify, and that's it.